Imagine the crowd holding its breath, lights blinding, cameras locked, waiting for that one name to echo across the room. And then, it doesn't. The 2025 American Music Awards just pulled the ultimate plot twist: no Taylor Swift. No wins, no warning, just silence where a thunderstorm should have been. That's right, while most expected another Swift sweep, it was Billie Eilish who set the night on fire. At 23, she didn't just attend the show, she owned it, racking up a whopping 7 awards like she was on a mission. Artist of the Year, check. Album of the Year for Hit Me Hard and Soft, check. Favorite touring artist, you bet. And she did it all from Europe, y'all. Accepting her trophies via video like a hologram queen with a halo of humility. This is so crazy. I feel speechless, iconic and chill, all at once. Meanwhile, the room felt colder without Taylor. The absence wasn't just noticed, it was felt, like a missing note in a chorus everyone knows by heart. Swift was nominated for 6 major categories, including Artist of the Year and Album of the Year for the Tortured Poets department. But when the dust settled, nothing, not even a surprise walk-on. The tour that made headlines. Sure, it earned her Tour of the Century, but even that felt like an afterthought, tucked away in a pre-recorded clip where Taylor thanked her fans and called it the most challenging yet rewarding thing she's done. A line that sounded more like closure than celebration. But Swifties, they were not okay. The internet, on fire. X, formerly known as Twitter, turned into a virtual group therapy session. Billie stans were out here dancing in confetti, posting, "She swept everything. She is the moment." Meanwhile, Swift fans were searching for meaning. One posted a gif of someone dramatically collapsing, me realizing Taylor didn't even show up. Another dropped a photo of an empty red carpet. Taylor Swift has arrived. Brutal, poetic, painfully accurate. Some fans tried to stay composed, others let the disappointment bleed out. One wrote, "She could have at least left us a hint she wouldn't be there. This feels like a breakup." Which, ironically, is exactly where the rumor mill started spinning faster than a vinyl record. Because behind this onstage silence was a backstage whisper: trouble in Taylor's love story. Insiders claim her whirlwind with NFL superstar Travis Kelce is starting to fray under fame's spotlight. Too much distance, too many headlines, and maybe not enough room to breathe. So now, the Swifties are connecting dots. No appearance, no wins, no closure. Was this absence a statement? Or simply a bad night in a glittering season? Either way, the stage was Billie's tonight, and she burned it down with grace. Let us know where your heart lands in this drama. Are you team stunned, team salty, or just sipping the tea in disbelief? Hit that subscribe button, because the story's just getting started.